Page 10, we wish you a Merry Christmas. This is in 3/4 time, so we only have to count to 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, but we're still counting quarter notes. And it has a pickup beat, so we're coming in on beat 3. See the last beat in the measure, or the last measure I should say, at the bottom of page 11, that has 2 counts in it. So altogether it's 3. Now we're still in middle C position here. And we have eighth notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and. Let's look at the page 10 here. 3 and, 3 and, 3 and, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. You see, it's kind of interesting in that first full measure. The middle C is each hand gets to play it one time. The right hand plays it the first time, and then the left hand gets it. That's kind of nice, sharing it, right? Top of page 11, you're up here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and so forth. So you figure this out. I don't want to spoon feed it to you. I would like you to be able to play it and count it out and figure it out yourself. Now there's no staccato in this, so you're connecting everything except we want to separate the slurs or the phrases. So in the page 10, the last measure, you got 3 A's. We want a little more silence between the last 2 A's. So it's here. So you're cutting the second A a little bit short because it's Christmas. You're taking a breath to go on. Same thing on page 11, second measure. So just lift up a little early so we get a little silence, a little more silence than you'd get anyway. I mean, you do get silence automatically on a repeated note, but we want more than that between the phrases. And then at the end of the second line on page 11, you're here. Lift up a little early before you go on, so it's a new phrase. Just. And then the same thing at the end of the third line too. So put in the phrasing, that's important. So you work it out, rhythm and notes and all that. And when you're ready, then let's do the play with me slowly and play it together to check your notes and rhythms. So put your hands in middle C position. I'm going to give us 2 counts because we come in on beat 3, so it's just ready, go, and then we go. Ready, go. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Off. There's a duet at the bottom of page 10. I'd like to play that, and you play this that we just played. Once again, I need you to go up an octave on the keyboard. Just take middle C and pretend it goes up here, and you play it all up here. And we're going to speed it up a little bit, not playing it as fast as most people would play it, but we're still going to speed it up a little bit. Now this first note you have, the duet part doesn't have anything, so I'm going to play that note with you, and then I'm going to play the duet part. That could be tricky with a duet because you have to focus on what you're doing because you got your own notes and rhythm, and the duet part is different. But you have to listen to the duet, the other part, to stay with it. So, you know, this is a skill we need to develop, so this is good that we do these duets together. Ready, go.